Where all this commando mama, the one why just hear your name na fine boy, and also you will be a gentle the Yahoo. When I come listen to this video, I don't talk say I no go dey fear una. The highest thing wey una go do me be say if una see me, una go buy me. Mana kwe fa ani Igbo, ayara agbaru na also there. I ain't telling you what this ani Igbo. Do you understand me? When I come hear this video from Mazen and the Kano, if you know any of them, carry this my video, go show them. If you now want to protect Igbo land, make Igbo land have peace. You know go stay there. Ya no na Igbo. Na say na neighboring town na na-eme napping ebe afọ, and nobody no near dịkwa close to ebe a na-eme the napping. Then put na agwa anyị that I believe oge no na adịrọ involved na that napping. Somebody that can will not believe that kind of story. Do you understand me? You see that you are not involved in all this insecurity that is going on in Igbo today. You know, ni mafia where and then na put na pomba ni mafia kafa na aba. Can you unu stop here? The highest thing unu game mbo say follow mo in apomo. That is it. And they ga nkwa. I will come here now. Na agba ga eziokwu. A lot of our people on in boss with evidence and down al moto. Monday Bujana POS or Bokas Okurola. But if I only have no potu and Okurola and for that money willingly, Obules you Okurola did that out of fear. Go will go this share cigarette babuta. If you are not on social media, Mumaya Adama Tono Bunebu. The highest in the EMO, I move, I go. 50, 100 years, you will come. You have to go what? No be so. So the question in video here about na the Kanu Kuria. So about that in Nigeria Biafra agitation or in on IPOB and in our support to criminality and the fraud and the crime on Agana and Igbo. Chineke ga pawoko. Chukwuoke ka bia ma aja ani Igbo ga pawoko. Mange ma genturo my fine boy all the Mama commander make una come listen to this video because if I na phone ani Igbo I prefer na the Kanu back in. Watch this video.
We have said to them, stop all this cultism. Stop kidnapping in Biafra land. Stop kidnapping. Things are hard, we know. Try and persevere for only a short while. Give us some time, only, please. That's what we're begging for. No kidnapping in Biafra land, please. We beg of you. There should be no kidnapping in Biafra land. None whatsoever.
You hear that?
No armed robber.
Okay.
We are not thieves. We are not criminals. We are fighting for.
You hear that, Abi?
That is why I said we are not going to destroy any bank.
You hear that?
We will not get involved in stealing or criminality of any sort. None. We are not criminals. Diaspora will fund this movement. Nobody's going to steal. Once you do it, the grace of Chukwu Abiyama will depart from us. The devil would have won. We don't want you.
Let me tell you something you don't know. All mother got woman na is you poor. If you how you na dodge guy, oh Jiwebo, I pity Franklin house because I'm out of able to appetite. You understand me? Because if I remember a rebel or something, the next thing we are attacking more maybe a blue. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I understand now. So many of our people, my content creators, they know the truth. But the problem is about if I put a usual from life of at stake. Do you understand? Enough is enough. Here I believe the Kanu Padolu. Nande Kanu dream no dey be ani Igbo na gana born today even say for born okita obi na agbali e ihe aburu ihe obage no for and no me fencho igwa okwa nu na amalo no na akọsu this have work with Nande Kanu bia hiti man nu so we jide e stop all these things unu choka ani Igbo dey mu odukunu na aka unu chokita ka criminality kusi na ani Igbo na criminality go ka stop. Criminality go stop. Yeah, I'm not going with the truth. Can you go to result in new chase and then I apply away? Can money for men and the Bama Kunazu? Can you go to the result? na ha bịara robbery unu nwa chesie ndị a bịara robbery away ka anyị nụba that such result ka anyị nụba such result ka anyị nụgonu ihe na nwere ebe a bịara ịnapụ mmadụ ise mazisi ahụ unu penchie the people ma butuo fa anyị afụ ya n'anya anyị